Percentage is very important topic in competitive exams, and many types of problems will be given in the examinations. Some of the important cases are discussing in this video. Let's we start the video with detailed examples so that you can understand the concept in, given in the problems. Come, we start the video. I'm going to deal with the first topic here. If we are going to deal with two successive changes in terms of percentage, if the first change is denoted by A, A, and the second change is denoted by B, so the combined effect. So after these two changes, the net effect, if you want to calculate, then the formula is the net effect is plus or minus A plus or minus B plus or minus A into plus or minus B by 100. Here, the plus sign indicates increase, that is, the percentage increased, and the minus sign indicates decrease of the change. According to this specified changes, we select plus or minus signs. Now we observe this concept by an example. If a person's salary is 50% decreased first time and 50% increased after that, then the total effect is. So the first A value here is 50 minus 50 because it is decreased, and the second change increase. So the B value is here plus 50. Now the total effect is here A is minus 50, then B is plus 50, minus 50 into plus 50 by 100. So if you this simplified this, then plus 50 minus 50 becomes 0, and this one 0 and 0 cancel, this 0 and this 0 cancels, plus into minus, minus 5 into 5, 25. So the total effect is minus 25%. So the total effect is 25% decrease in his salary. We observe the second problem example. The price of fans were reduced, that means decreased 20%, and the sold fans, that is sales of fans, increased by 40%. What is the effect of these two factors? So first, A here reduced means decreased, so A value here is minus 20, and then the sales increased 40% means B value here plus 40. So the total effect here is minus 20 plus 40 plus of minus 20 into plus 40 by 100. So if we simplify this, the total effect minus 20 plus 40 means plus 20. Then here 20. So this numerator has in multiplication two zeros. Denominator two zeros is cancelled. Plus into minus minus. 2 fours are 8. So 20 minus 8 is 12 plus 12%. That means here we has 12% total effect increase. That is, he got the profit. Next concept we are going to be discussed is here the mixture has originally a compound. So a compound has originally a percent in that. So the value that the mixture has is V liters or V kgs, and we want to change the percentage to B. Here B is more than A, then the compound should be added to the mixture is added quantity is value and the difference between B and A, so divided by 100 minus B. So this is the concept. Now we understand this concept with the help of an example. See here, a mixture 20 kgs has spirit and water, contains 10% of water. 10% of water, and here how much water must be added to this mixture to raise the percentage of water to 25%. That means 10% of water should be increased to 25%. For this, here the value given as 20 kgs, so V becomes 20. The original percentage of water is 10%, that means A is 10%. And we want to increase it to 25%. So this is B becomes 25%. So the water should be added is calculated by, so V into B minus A by 100 minus B. So 20 into 25 minus 10 by 100 minus 25. So this can be 20 into 25, 20 into 15, sorry, by 75. 15 ones are 50, 15 fives are 75. So 5 ones are 5, 4s are 5, 4s are 20. So our answer is the water should be added is 4 kgs. So we discuss the example 2. A mixture of 40 liters of milk and water contains 10% of water. How much water should be added so that water may be 20% in the new mixture? So here the specified values can be used in the following way to get the water quantity to be added. So here the volume of mixture V is 40 and original percentage of what is 10% and required is B 20%. So the water should be added can be calculated V into, that is 40 into, so 20 minus 10, B minus A is 10, so by 100 minus B, 100 minus B means 20, that is 100 minus 20 is 80. So the cancellation 41s are, 42s are, 2 ones are, 2 fives. So the water should be added is 5 liters. So directly you can use this calculations in this. The next concept here we are going to discuss is, if there is increase in the price of an article is A% and the to be reduced, consumption is to be reduced in percentage so that the total expenditure not changes, can be calculated by A by 100 plus A. Here increase now, that's why 100 plus A into 100. So this can be discussed with the following example. 1. Price of sugar is increased by 20% if the expenditure is not allowing the increase. How much percentage, should reduce the consumption for the family is? So Here the solution is the price is increased by, that is A, 20%. So the consumption reduction is 20 by 100 plus 20 into 100. So this can be 20 by 120 into 100. So 21s are 26 are. So 1 by 6% means 16. 2 by 3%. Because 1 by 6 is converted as 16 2 by 3% in terms of percentage. So the answer is 16 2 by 3% should be the consumption is reduced. Now we see the second example. The increase in the price of petrol is 25%. By how much percentage car owner should be reduce his consumption so that of petrol, so that the expenditure on the petrol not be increased. So the solution here is, so what is the price increase here? Price increase A equal to 25%. So the reduction in consumption is 25 by 100 plus 25. 100 plus 25 means is 125 into 100. So 25 ones are 25 fives are. So 1 by 5 is equal to the 5 ones are here. It can be written 5 twos are 5 zeros. It is 20%. So the reduction is in consumption is 20%. If we have the reduction or decrease in the price is d%, then the consumption is to be increased, and we have to calculate this increased percentage in consumption as d by 100 minus d into 100. So now we can discuss this with the help of example 1. The fall, that is the decrease in the price of rice is 10%. By how much percent a household increase in the consumption so that the expenditure on this item is not to decrease. The fall percent here is D is 10%. So the increase in the consumption is 10 by 100 minus 10 into 100. So the increase in the consumption is 10 by 90 into 100. So 0 0 cancel. So here 9 ones are 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. Remainder is 1 by 9. So the increase in consumption is 11, 1 by 9%. We see the next example. There is 20% decrease in the price of wheat. The increase in its consumption such that the expenditure on this item is not to decrease. So this can be calculated. The decrease percentage given here is 20%. The increase in the consumption is 20 by 100 minus 20 because decrease na, that's why 100 minus 20, this is 80 into 100. So the cancellation is 20 ones are 20 fours are 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. So 25%. So the increase in the consumption must be 25%.